morning, students! Before you sit down, please pick up the pieces of paper and arrange your chairs. Okay, you may now sit down. Is anyone absent today? Very good! No one is absent today. Give yourselves a round of applause. So now I want someone to recall what we have tackled last meeting. Yes, Ami? Very good! Our topic last meeting is all about a verb. So now let's proceed to another topic. So now I have a video clip that I want you all to be watched. So all you have to do is listen attentively to the video because I have some questions to be asked. Okay? Okay, so here's the video clip. Okay, done? So the questions are, what have you noticed about the statements of the actor? Okay, what have you noticed about the statements of the actor? Very good. The statements of the actor in the video is all about the fact and opinion. So, in that video, can you please give me some statements from the actor that is factual and opinionated? Yes, Nolan? Okay, very good. Please let us give Nolan a round of applause. So now, I have here an activity or a game called Who Am I? This is a game called Who Am I? All you have to do is answer the following statements, and the answers on that statement will be formed into a word. Okay? So, here, who am I? I am the one of your ability that you can find in chart. What is it? Okay, very good. Letter C. So, next, I am first in final. Very good. Letter F. I am a vitamin that you can get in squash but never in grass. Very good. Letter A. I am the sound of a 3-letter word drink that is healthy for the body. Very good. Letter T. So, from the letters F, C, A, and T, what word can be formed? Yes, Chico? Very good. Fact. So now let's proceed to the second word game called Observe Me. Observe the statements given and identify the scrambled word below. The statements are, French fries taste better with ketchup. Sunday is the best day of the week. So, below on that statement, there is a scrambled word below. So, what is the scrambled word? Yes, Zusea? Very good. Opinion. So, what do you think is our topic for today? Very good. Fact and opinion. Fact and opinion tells whether the statements hold factual information or subjective views of an individual. That is what we are going to discuss. So, our topic for today is all about statement that is fact and opinion. So, what are our objectives for today? Please read. Okay. Differentiate what is fact and an opinion. Identify whether the statement belongs to fact or opinion. Listen attentively to distinguish fact from opinion. To further understand the lesson for today, let's all proceed to the basic characteristics in identifying a statement, whether it is a fact and an opinion. So first we have fact. Fact is something that can be verified with evidences. Yes, correct? Yes. It is probable, measurable, and observable. The information are based on statistics, scientific law, history books, and others. For example, Ferdinand Marcos Sr. is the former president of the Philippines. What do you think it is a fact? Yes, very good. It is a fact because based on history books, Ferdinand Marcos Sr. is the former president of the Philippines. So let's proceed to opinion. Opinion is something which cannot be proven. So this is the opposite of fact. These are based on someone's thoughts, feelings, and understanding. Statements that can be confusing if it is widely accepted. For example, current President Bongbong Marcos Jr. is the best president. What do you think that it is an opinion? Yes, Josiah? Very good. Yes, because current President Bongbong Marcos Jr., some people will not agree that he is the best president. Okay. So now, let's proceed to the 3 ways in distinguishing fact from opinion through listening attentively. There are 3 ways, which are keeping an open mind. So, keeping an open mind is being receptive to new ideas. Means to wait until you know all the facts before having an opinion or making a sound judgment or criticism. Next, stay focused on the topic. Focusing on the topic when listening will help you identify the key points. Okay? So, listen attentively and focusing on the topic will help you get the key points. Also, it will narrow your understanding on the text that you are listening to. Next, we have identify the main purpose and main idea. So, first thing you do is to identify the main idea. The main idea is the most important concept in the passage as a whole. A way to actually understand what the person is trying to say. Once the main idea is identified, all the details will fall into place. Without the main idea, it will not make any sense. Do you agree? Yes, very good. So now, let's identify some statements whether it is a fact or an opinion. First, number 1, I love the sweet smell of flowers in the street of Paris. It is a fact or an opinion? Yes, Josiah? Very good. It is an opinion. Next, Paris is the capital of France. Very good. It is a fact. Paris is well known as the city of love and romance. Yes, very good. It is a fact. So, before we proceed to your assessment, I have some questions regarding about our lesson, our discussion for today before proceeding to our assessment. So, my questions are, what are the 2 terms that we have discussed in identifying the statement as factual or subjective? Yes, Nolan? Very good. Opinion and fact. So, how can we identify if that statement is factual? Okay, yes, Ami? Very good. That statement can be identified if it is a factual when that can be verified with evidences, probable, observable, and measurable. Next, about identifying a statement that is subjective? Okay, very good. In identifying a statement that is opinion, we can identify a statement that is an opinion if it is based on someone's thoughts, feelings, and understanding. Something which cannot be proven. Yes? Yes, very good. So now, let's proceed to your assessment. So now, for your assessment, can you please take 1/2 sheet of paper crosswise to answer the 8 items test in the board. So, identify if the statement is fact or opinion. Write F if the statement is fact and O if the statement is opinion. So, I'll give you 5 minutes to answer your work. After that, we will check your work. Okay? Okay. Okay, so time's up. Exchange your papers to your seatmate. Okay, number 1, what is the answer? Okay, very good. F. Rizal Park is one of the most beautiful parks of its kind in the world. Okay, very good, Joanna. That is opinion. So number 3, it has a big playground, small skating rinks, and inviting bicycle lanes. Yes, very good, Nolan. It is opinion. Number 4, teenagers watch carp swimming in circular ponds and stroll around. Okay, very good. That is fact. Number 5, families enjoy picnics on the clean, thick grass. Okay, very good. Ami, that is fact. Number 6, the sunset looks prettiest in summer when the sun paints the clouds. Yes, very good. That is fact. On Sunday afternoon, a concert is presented by military bands. Is a fact or an opinion? Okay, very good. That is a fact. Number 8, sentimental kundiman are heard over the sound system of the farm. Sentimental kundiman are heard over the sound system of the park. Okay, very good. That is a fact. Okay, pass your papers. Make your score visible because I will record it. So now let's for your assignment. And now for your assignment, watch television news and list down 5 facts and 5 opinions you hear. Write your homework on a 1/2 sheet of paper crosswise and pass it on the next meeting. So, any clarifications, questions, final reactions regarding about our topic for today? Okay, so none. So I think that is for today. Class dismissed.